After helping businesses choose headsets for more than 30 years, there's one mistake we see over and over again. Companies assume a headset is just a headset. They'll spend weeks researching computers, monitors, office chairs, but when it comes to headsets, they'll often just buy whatever has good reviews, the lowest price, or the biggest brand name. Unfortunately, that's where the problems usually begin. Before we get started though, if your company is shopping for new headsets and you'd like help making sure you buy the right ones the first time, contact us here at Headset Advisor. We'll help match you with the right solution based on your devices, work environment, and budget. The biggest mistake isn't buying a bad headset. It's buying the wrong headset for the job. A headset that's perfect for listening to music, gaming, or taking personal calls may be a terrible choice for someone who spends all day talking on Teams, Zoom, Cisco, RingCentral, Genesys, NICE, or another business communication platform. Professional business headsets exist for a reason. They aren't simply more expensive versions of consumer headphones. They're designed around communication first. One of the biggest examples of this is compatibility. Someone buys a Bluetooth headset because their computer already has Bluetooth. On the surface, it seems like it should work perfectly, and sometimes it does. Other times, it creates problems with connectivity, audio routing, call controls, microphone, and reliability. That's why you'll often see professional business headsets include a USB dongle for a model that connects with your computer. The headset isn't relying on your computer's Bluetooth anymore. Instead, it's using hardware specifically designed and certified for your business communication platforms. If your company also uses desk phones, things become even more important. Some desk phones don't support Bluetooth at all. Others do, but the experience can vary significantly depending on the phone and headset combination. That's why choosing the right headset starts with understanding what devices you're actually connecting to every day. The next mistake is buying without considering the work environment. Someone working quietly from home has very different needs than someone sitting in a busy open office or a contact center with hundreds of people talking around them. Maybe microphone noise cancellation matters most. Maybe comfort is the priority because they'll wear the headset 8 hours a day. Maybe wireless range is important because they frequently walk away from their desk. There's no single headset that's best for everyone. There's only a headset that's best for your situation. Another mistake we see is assuming everyone wants the same style of headset. Some people prefer one ear, others won't wear anything unless it's dual speakers, and some people won't even look at a headset that's worn over their head because maybe it messes up their hair, makes them feel weird wearing this style of headset, or causes headaches. If you're deploying headsets across a team, giving employees 2 or 3 approved options often leads to much happier users instead of forcing everyone into one model. It's a relatively small decision that has a surprisingly big impact on comfort, productivity, and employee satisfaction, along with employee adoption of actually using the headset and enjoying using the headset. Price is another area where businesses often get into trouble. The least expensive headset isn't always the lowest cost solution. A cheaper headset may create more IT support tickets, more returns, more replacements, and more frustrated employees than a higher quality option. Business headsets are designed to be used all day, every day. Many include replaceable ear cushions, replaceable batteries, stronger warranties, software management tools, and certifications for platforms like Microsoft Teams and Zoom, which ensures that you're getting the best experience with your call and meeting platforms. These aren't just nice features to have. They're designed to reduce downtime and improve reliability over the life of your headset. Another mistake businesses make is focusing only on the product and not where they're buying it from. Let me give you a real example. A lot of people buy their business headsets on Amazon. And to be clear, I buy plenty of things on Amazon too. Amazon is incredibly convenient. But here's what many people don't realize. Amazon isn't always selling the product themselves. In many cases, you're actually buying from a third-party marketplace seller. So before you purchase, here's something I recommend checking. Go to the product listing and look at who the seller is. Then visit the manufacturer's website and look at the list of authorized partners or authorized resellers. If that seller isn't listed as an authorized reseller, there are some potential risks you should be aware of. Depending on the situation, the product could have originally been intended for another country. It could be old inventory, refurbished inventory that's being resold, or inventory that's entered the market outside of the manufacturer's authorized distribution channels. One of the biggest things to understand is that many manufacturers will not honor the warranty on products purchased through unauthorized resellers. That's why you'll sometimes notice a significant price difference. People often ask, how can someone sell this headset for $50 or $100 less? In many cases, authorized resellers simply can't compete with those prices because they're purchasing through authorized distribution providing manufacturer-backed warranties, offering support after the sale, and covering shipping, fees, and other business costs. That doesn't automatically mean every low price listing is a bad purchase. It simply means it's important to understand what you're giving up in exchange for that low price. If you're buying one headset for yourself, maybe that's a trade-off you're comfortable making. But if you're buying headsets for your business and you need reliability, support, and manufacturer warranty coverage, it's something that's absolutely worth checking before you order. At the end of the day, the biggest mistake that we see businesses make isn't buying the wrong brand. It's assuming every headset is built for the same purpose. Gaming headsets, music headphones, business headsets, they all exist for different reasons. When you choose the right headset for your work devices, your environment, and the way your team actually communicates, you'll usually end up with happier employees, fewer support issues, and a solution that lasts much longer. If your company is evaluating new headsets and you'd like help narrowing down the best options, contact us here at Headset Advisor and we'll save you a ton of time and hassle it takes researching all these different headsets. That way you get the right headsets the first time. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, give it a like as it helps support our company, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more videos like this in the future.